side lengths of any shape, you will get the perimeter of the shape. Perimeter can be measured for any shapes like triangles, squares, rectangles, trapeziums, parallelograms. Okay? Let us look at an example. For example, let us take a parallelogram. This measures 10 feet. This also measures 10 feet. This measures 5 feet. And this also measures 5 feet. Now if you see, for this parallelogram, the opposite sides measures equal. In fact, for any parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. To get the perimeter of this parallelogram, just add all the side lengths. If you add, you will get 20 feet. 20 feet is the perimeter of this parallelogram. Now let us take a triangle. This measures 20 feet. This measures 20 feet. And this measures 5 feet. To get the perimeter, just add all the side lengths. You will get 45 feet. 45 feet is the perimeter of this triangle. Okay? Now, what if you take a circle? For this circle, to calculate the perimeter, there are no sides. So, how would you calculate this perimeter? To calculate the perimeter of any circle, you should take a thread, keep it at the edge of the circle, of entire circle, and measure the thread with a ruler. You will get the circumference of this circle. For circle, the perimeter is same thing as circumference. Okay? There is no need to calculate for any shape adding all the side lengths. There are some formulas to calculate. For circumference of a circle, to calculate the circumference of a circle, there is a formula like circumference equals pi times d, or circumference equals 2 pi r. Okay? For a rectangle, to calculate the perimeter, you have a formula like 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Let us calculate the perimeter of this rectangle by this formula. The length is the longest side of a rectangle. If you see, this is the longest side of this rectangle. Say this length measures 10 feet and this length also measures 10 feet. This length measures 2 feet and this length measures 2 feet. Now, in fact, for any triangle, the opposite sides are also equal, like the parallelogram. Okay? The length is this, the longest side. 2 times the length. 10 times 2 times 10 plus 2 times the width. Width is 2 for this rectangle, the shortest side. 2 times 2. 10 times 2 is 20 plus 2 times 2 is 4. You will get the perimeter of this rectangle as 24 feet. Not only for the circle and rectangle, you have the perimeter formulas for any shape. Okay, once again, the perimeter definition is the sum of all the side lengths. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and put in your comments below of this video if you need. See you later in the next class. Until then, take care and bye.